10305 First Avenue. Built in 1954 and upgraded over these last few summers. Outdoor seating with the fire pit for 3. And I'm going to take you around back. This is the cucumber garden for veggies for next summer. And then we pulled the trash out to make this little pen so it was easily accessible for the trash guys. This is the latch system for the new swimming pool. House comes with 2 backup propane tanks because there are propane tanks for the barbecue grill and the front and the back fire pit. Surf kayak, multiple surfboards available. I like to keep the beverages cold, so we have them next to the barbecue grill. This table has been in the family since like the 80s. Old school furniture that literally doesn't break down because of the plastics. I built this live edge table. So this hardwood table is about 450 pounds. Sanded down over multiple weekends and urethaned for protection, and it seats 4 on a side, that makes 8, and 2 on the ends for 10. There's a bar as well for serving at parties. The outdoor living room includes a fire pit that is the companion to the one up front, with some comfy chairs and pillows. Thanks, Mom, for hooking us up with some new pillows. Drinks go on the side for a little stump side table, which is the matching one for the chaise lounges right there. Companion with the 3 Adirondack chairs, and of course the waterfall. Now that will get lit up with the water and the LED lights, typically in the evenings. This is 4 feet deep, includes it's really a special stair that's just curved like a wedding cake. 4 jets on the side, 4 on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and power up the waterfall. This is just a little bit of a trickle. Kind of gives it a nice little audio. Just on the, it's a granite stone, real quarried stone, not the fake stuff. And it's a great sound and a great place to have a drink or eat a sandwich. Okay, the waterfall is running. That is a higher level of output in terms of like the water versus just the trickle. You can actually take a shower under that thing if you really wanted to. It's a salinated system. I wanted to show you this foot washing. Very nice and easy to just rinse your feet from the beach in the sand or from the private beach before getting into the pool. This is the outdoor shower. Includes a natural light element that I built, a cupola, as well as the LED light for evening if you take a shower after sunset. But the cupola is great along with this little element for venting. Coming in from this south side, we have the veggie planting beds. These happen to be some ground berries, ground cherries, and beach plums, some spices, and then the blueberries. Collecting the rainwater, very environmentally friendly. Step up to the beach toy bin, full of all kinds of goodies. Chairs for the beach and a place to rest your cup while you get your chair. Super big cart with the nice big wheel for hauling things down to the beach, makes it super easy. Getting into the back pen here, we keep at least 6 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th one is behind the shed there. Advanced HVAC. Advanced system for the pool. New central air for the 2nd floor. Pentair system for the pool. Wisteria trellis just to screen it. So when you're back here, you create more of that oasis. That'll grow in and get nice and colorful. And then the Leland cypress growing in on this back side to match what will be, not quite as high, but this emerald perimeter of the yard. We're going to show you this guest cottage. Cornhole, if you want to play, is fun for the players of all ages.